How to troubleshoot other paper loading issues in the HP DesignJet T850/T950 printers. In this video, you will learn how to troubleshoot other paper loading issues and solve other common problems related to paper. The process and time frame may vary depending on each problem. When to follow this troubleshoot video. HP recommends having these tools to troubleshoot issues. Flashlight. This is a troubleshooting video for roll crashes, jams or skews while loading a roll without the jam screen message popping up. Even though the printer doesn't display the paper jam or the carriage jam screen, if a small piece of paper is blocking the paper path while loading a roll, the following symptoms can be seen. Roll crashes, jams in the roll entry area. Roll skews. The printer can also display this screen depending on the skew level. How to troubleshoot when roll crashes or paper skews. Turn off the printer and unplug the power cable. Open the roll cover. With a flashlight, ensure there is no piece of paper blocking the roll entry area from the left to the right end. Open the main door. With a flashlight, check if there is any paper between the gray roller and black plastic rollers, along with the entire width of the printer. With a flashlight, check if there is any piece of paper between the black rubber rollers and tiny silver star wheels, along with the entire width of the printer. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.